Guys, in this video I'll be just talking about all of the 30 exciting features about the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Yes, I brought this device today from the offline market, and this device is really amazing. So in this video I'll be just talking about all of the hidden features, tips and tricks, and all of the things about this OnePlus Nord CE. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, let's start with some basic settings. If you long press on the home screen, so you got these three options right here. Here we got some live wallpapers. So if you wanna set some or extraordinary live wallpapers, so you have these three live wallpapers, and you have an option to add some or new exciting wallpapers from here. If you tap sort on OnePlus, so you get redirect to this application, but you have some of the live wallpapers which are really interesting. If you try to use these live wallpapers, so these are really very interesting. If I save this and let's get to the back, so you can see the dynamic effect from here. If I unlock this device from fingerprint, so you can see the animations. So you can easily use these live wallpapers as your primary wallpapers. Let's talk to some camera settings. If we navigate into camera, we got this type of interface. It's a typical OnePlus interface. Here we don't get any type of extraordinary features, and if we come here, we have an option to convert our screen into 4:3 ratio to a full ratio screen. So if we tap here, we will get a full ratio screen. So using this mode, we can take some high resolution pictures with a full screen size. So this feature is also very helpful. If you wanna use this feature, you can easily use this feature by going here. So if I wanted to share this picture, I have to long press here, and then we get a menu like this. Here we can easily share this picture anywhere. So this feature is also very useful if you are a typical OnePlus user. Next feature of this OnePlus Nord CE is you can easily change the icon shape and icon style of this device. Simply you have to do is you have to long press here and go into the home screen settings. Here you got an option called as icon pack. In icon pack option, you can easily set the style of your icon pack. If you wanted to use this hexagonal style icon packs, so you can easily save it from here, and you can easily save and use these hexagonal shaped icon packs on your OnePlus Nord device. Through you guys must know that this device comes with a 90Hz super screen, and if you wanted to change its refresh rate, so you guys have to navigate into display settings, and here you'll get an option called as advanced settings. In advanced setting, you will get a option called as refresh rate. Here you get an option to manage the refresh rate of your device. It's by default set it on the 90Hz. You can easily set it 60Hz to save your battery life, and if you don't want to save battery life, the battery life of 90Hz is much enough for you, so you can easily set it on 90Hz. In 90Hz mode, you can easily use your device with a butter smooth experience. So you can easily navigate and check out these options. It's available on the OnePlus Nord. Right here in the OnePlus Nord, you'll get an option to customize the functionality of your power button. To customize this, you'll have to navigate into settings, then buttons and gestures, then in power and hold the press and hold the power button. Here you'll get two options: power menu or voice assistant. In power menu option, you can easily customize the work of the power menu, or you can easily switch into the volume assistant. And if you try these settings, whenever you'll long press your power button, you get navigate into the voice assistant. So this feature might be useful for some users, but for me, power menu is much better than navigating into the voice assistant. So there is an option available to enable navigation gestures on your device. For that, you have to navigate into settings and then in the button and gestures, and right here you will get some options like navigation bar and gestures. Here you can easily turn on your recent menu, home and button, and you can easily switch into navigation bar also. So it's depend on you which of the mode you guys prefer, but I usually prefer navigation gesture, so that's why I am using navigation gesture. Also you can hide the bottom bar, which is right here, by tapping on this option. It's now hidden, so you can now easily experience the extraordinary OxygenOS 11. If you guys don't want this notch and you wanna hide, so you can easily hide this notch on your device. See, easily you have to navigate into settings, then in settings you have to go into the display settings. In display settings you will get an option called as advanced settings. Here you got an option full camera display area. Here you get an option to hide the front camera. By simply navigating into this setting, you can easily hide the front camera area of your device, and this notch will get hidden and you will get an AMOLED display, so that's why it's totally fair. So you can easily hide the full screen display on your device. If you wanted to use this always on display, so you can easily enable this type of always on display on your device. Simply you guys have to navigate into settings, then in settings you'll have to come in the advanced settings, and in advanced settings you'll get an option called as ambient display. In ambient display you have these options right here. You have to enable the ambient display from here. It shows then when you want to show the ambient display. So here you have three options: off, schedule and all day. So I prefer the all day because I wanted to show this always on display all of the day. So I have selected all day. Then right here you can easily set up all these settings from here and easily modify your always on display. So let's check. Yes, this always on display looks pretty much similar than the anyone, so you can easily apply this always on display on your OnePlus Nord CE device. If you have a lower RAM variant and you wanted to increase the RAM of your device, so you can easily use this feature to increase the RAM of your device. Simply you have to navigate into the settings, then in settings you'll be have to come right here in the system settings. Here you get an option called as RAM boost. Here you can optimize the utilization based on your storage usage. So in this option you have to enable RAM boost. This option usually make some changes on your settings and optimize the RAM to perform more better than it's before. So you can easily enable this option to boost your RAM. Guys, do you wanted to use app lock on your device and you don't know that how to enable app lock on OnePlus devices? So you don't have to take tension, easily do these settings. Just navigate into settings, then in settings you have to come into the utilities option. In utilities option you'll get an option called as app locker. Here you can easily set a pin and lock your apps to hide them from anyone. So there is a useful option available into the utility settings. Simply come here and enable this pocket mode. This pocket mode prevents your device from some accidental touches and prevents your fingerprint from any damage. So you can easily enable this feature. This feature is very useful for you. Guys, if you don't want to see any type of unnecessary advertisements on your device, so you just have to optimize these settings on your device. Simply go into the settings and then in settings option you have to navigate into privacy. In privacy here you get an option called as advanced. In advanced you get an option called as ads. Here you have to make sure that this option is off. Yes, This option is must be get off, because by enabling this option you will get some interest based ads on your device and you don't want to see it. So just if this option get is enabled, so you have to disable this option and you don't see any type of advertisements on your device. So it's very useful option, just disable it. Guys, if you wanted to get focused and you don't wanted to see any type of calls, messages or anything on your device, so you can use Zen mode, because Zen mode is just made for you. This mode helps you to focus on your task and it's a very useful feature. It produces some natural sound to get you engaged into your activity. You can experience this sound. Yes, it's right here. So you guys can easily experience some natural sounds on your device and you guys can easily get focused on your task. So you can use this mode for your convenience. Right here you'll get an advanced hidden feature which you guys can easily use on your device. This feature is called as accessibility menu. To enable this feature you have to navigate into settings, then in settings option you'll get an option system. In system settings you'll get an option called as accessibility. In accessibility you'll have an option called as accessibility menu. Just simply enable this feature and then you'll get an option right here. This is accessibility menu. You can now easily use accessibility features right from here. Here we have some features called as assistant, Google Assistant, power off, and accessibility settings, recent apps, volume down, volume up, brightness down, brightness up, and lock the screen, quick settings, notification, and screenshot. So these features are very useful for you. You can now easily enable this feature right from here. You guys wanted to customize the accent color of your device, so you can easily customize all of the accent colors right from the settings. Just navigate into settings, go into the settings, and then you get an option called as customization. In customization you'll have an option called as accent. In accent you can easily apply any type of color, then the color sets up on your display, and right from here you can easily set all of the colors into your preferred color from here, and then your device converted into the selected color which you have used. So this feature is also very useful and now you can easily use it on your OnePlus Nord CE 5G device. Then you guys can also enable the ambient light or light on your device. Just go into the settings, then in the settings option you'll get an option called as customization. In the customization option you have options right here which is horizon light. So you can easily enable horizon light on your device. This light enables an edge lighting on your device whenever you get any type of notifications on your device. So this feature is also very useful. Then second one, you can easily customize the fingerprint animation effect on your device. So here we get these type of accent on our device. So these are customizable, totally customizable, so you can easily set them right here, and this feature will work super smoothly whenever you use. You can also customize the screenshots of your device. Just simply whenever you take an screenshot, just right here you have to tap here and then you can easily customize the screenshot. Here you can add an arrow on your device. Also you can add some doodle and stickers and many more settings on a screenshot. So this feature is also very useful and OnePlus just integrated a very exciting feature.